All right, y'all. Welcome back to the Power Stroke Rick YouTube channel. We out here in Bonbon, the old Bronco. We're doing an SPE Motorsport stainless little axleback exhaust on her today, which essentially is just a pipe. We're taking the muffler out and we're going to burn the dirt up, but we have to get some sound clips for you. I don't know if y'all are going to hear this, but we got this gentleman in sport mode coming up yonder. Hold on now. Hold on now. We stop for stop signs out here. Let's see what we got. We're gonna do some more better clips, but you hear that? Blowing off. So all it is a big muffler in the back. We're taking that off. SPE has two options. They have a little muffler they weld into the stainless pipe, or we just opted out for the pipe itself. So super easy install. We're gonna show y'all doing that. And yeah, we're there'll be some bad kids about to get some McDonald's right now or something, you know? So, like a sore dick, can't beat it. Yeah. Welcome back to the Power Stroke Rick YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You already know it's like a sore dick, can't beat it. Let's check this thing out, man. 21 plus Ford Bronco, SPE Motorsport, SPE B100-100 is the part number. And all we got is a stainless straight pipe, pretty much. Got the hanger welded on. This is a very straightforward install. And we're gonna do some sound clip first, and then probably let it cool down. But basically, we're going from that little straight pipe to this big old muffler Joan right here's coming out. You got a hanger there. You got a hanger there. This is the hanger we will use to mount the new one. And then, yeah, you got a little exhaust clamp. I don't know what size that is yet, but I'm gonna let you know in a minute. And we reuse that exhaust clamp. Put her in, send her. Like a sore dick, can't beat it. So let's do some sound clips. Come on, girl, get in there, Joan. Get in there. You don't want to be in the video? Okay. All right, guys, here is the sound clip on a 2.3 liter Bronco OEM exhaust. Rev it up, babe.
That's scary.
That's scary?
Yeah.
Go more. A little more. One more time. Yeah. We sound like them damn Honda Civics at a car meet. You know what I'm saying? You rit. All right, y'all, so you got these hangers. I like these a little bit of Croyle. Granted, old Bonbon the Bronco is brand new. You got a clamp back here. Can't see, but 15 milli. Exhaust clamp off. Crowbar, pry bar just in case. I'm probably gonna drop this on me. We got my little fancy Amazon exhaust hanger tool. Oh yeah, I rub new vehicles. Look how easy that is. Oof. So this one we're not reusing. We're only gonna reuse this side. We got things strategic here now. There's that one. Then we should be able to walk her right off. Come on now. Yeah, she's almost there. Bam. So this is basically what you had underneath of here. And we're putting that tiny little pipe now instead. This is like a big muffler.
Dang.
Bam. Take that to the scrap yard. All right, so yeah, this hanger we're not reusing. We're gonna reuse this guy right here, and we'll show you a nipple shot. We're gonna have to edit that nipple out, y'all. So here's our SPE pipe. Damn. Don't let Rick do nothing. We might have to forgot, we might have to move this hitch part right here for some clearance issues. Let me shove this thing in there. Might have to, let me see. All right, y'all, so this bracket's right here. Slipped the little SPE slip-on on, and it just barely got clearance issue with this bracket. So this bracket's for the, it's plugged off, but the plug, in case you ever put a hitch on this thing, tow with it, we're never towing with this thing, so, excuse me, we're never gonna need this bracket. So you get some 2 long bolts that I end up cutting from the back and then slipping them out, because they put them 2 18 millimeters right here. You can't get them because of the bumper, so you kind of gotta pull this back a little bit and then cut the bolts, get it out. So the bracket we are not using no longer, and I'm gonna reroute this trailer plug, get it away, so we're not seeing this underneath of it. But you seen the last clip, that is the install of the SPE slip-on. And luckily this can all go back to stock fairly easily. Obviously we're keeping the OEM muffler. Got here and here, snaps on with the boots. So yeah, so we're gonna button this up real quick and we're gonna start it up and show you what it sounds like. Are you excited? Mm-hmm. I'm excited. All right, y'all. Babe, rev it up. Super easy install. We're gonna show you this clean looking SP. I'm excited.
Ready?
Yep. Ooh! Damn! Rev it up. Woo-hoo! More! That thing sounds sick.
I love it.
You rub it?
Yes.
Woo! Damn! Clean! Alright, y'all. So that's your SPE axle back exhaust. Like I said, they have 2 options. You could option it with a little tiny muffler or just do straight pipe like we did. But I think it sounds great like that. Clean look. Took the bracket out for the plug, rerouted that up top. You ain't gonna see it, and we're never gonna use it because this ain't a tow rig. So baby mama's happy. That's all that matters. And we're gonna continue the video now because we're doing some color matching, paint matching stuff. We got this Bronco emblem that I got off eBay. Put that on. There was a silver one there we replaced. And then for whatever reason, every Bronco that we see has these white letters in the front. So obviously baby mama wants to do the whole blackout package like I do on the truck. And yeah, we got new letters from eBay, gloss black letters. We're gonna show you putting these in, taking the grill off real quick. And yeah, let's get it. So, grill letters, we're taking them out. They actually have them glued in, so we're gonna drill out the pins in the back to take them out. But to take them out first, you gotta take the grill off. So you got a bunch of these, everyone loves them, the push pins everywhere. So get you a little push pin tool, like I have right hither. And take all these push pins out, and then we will show you, there's some screws underneath. We'll show you that, and we'll show you popping the grill off. So stay tuned. All right, so once you get the cowl off right there and the piece for the intake, you got 4 10 millis back here. Zip them off. That should be it. Now this is the notorious fun part that we all do not like on these Fords. Basically just gonna pull. Looks like we got a connection right here that I forgot. This for grill is off. Sweat. Now we're gonna show you drilling these letters out. And we'll have to realize we'll have to figure out how to spell Bronco, right? Make sure we spell it right. White letters are out. We opted to go with OEM ones. So You got all these little like glue tabs, whatever they got. You just drill them out, little 1/4-inch drill bit. And then 2 methods I'm going to use to put these in. Hot glue gun to get them started to stay, because obviously I have this JB Weld plastic bonder in black. This stuff works awesome. That's how I take apart all my emblems on the trucks and everything. But we're going to use a little dab of hot glue to kind of get them so they don't, when I put the plastic bonder on, it's going to take a little while to cure, so I don't want them falling down. So hold them up with the hot glue, clean all this up first, wipe everything down, and then hopefully we remember how to spell it right. So we'll show you putting them Jones in. So here's the gist of the emblems, or the letters, y'all. So drilled them out, plastic, cleaned them up, cleaned the holes up, popped the new ones in, put a little hot glue dab on each side to kind of hold it up. And then I got tape underneath on the bottom. And then I use that black JB Weld plastic bonder. That's what I use in all the badges and everything for the vehicles. So yeah, we're gonna let it cure for a little bit. And you do have to take the, I forgot to mention, if you have a 360 camera or a front view camera, you gotta take that off, which is 3 T30 Torx bits. So we'll put that back on and put it all back together. That's the gist of it. Alright, y'all, this is the end of this video. Hope y'all like this one. A little something, nothing too crazy. But here is the end result of our color matched Bronco letters. These are OEM Ford. I got these through eBay. After doing this, I wish I would have went with a different company. There's another company out there that makes them for about $40 cheaper, aftermarket. They have 2-way tape behind them, and then they have some tabs that go on them pins instead of having to plastic weld and do all the shit that I just did. But it's all right. OEM, so we got rid of them white letters. That looks awesome. Bon, a.k.a. Bonnie, is coming along. She's dirty. The old groundskeeper, as in me, needs a washer. I put this on the other day. Black Bronco emblem back there. We got the SPE exhaust on. Sounds sick. And yeah, as always, like a sore dick can't beat it. We're going to keep continuing this Bronco build. And yeah. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.